Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your friend GM is here to share more about English literature. Today I have choose 15 MCQs on English literature, a topic for my video. Let's start it without any delay. From the second slide you are watching. Number 1. Which poem ends I shall but love thee better after death? How do I love thee? Number 2. Which poet is considered a national hero in Greek? Lord Byron. Number 3. Which kind of poem is Edward Lear associated with nonsense? Number 4. In Coleridge's poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, where were three gallants going? A wedding. Number 5. Harold Nichols describes which poet as very yellow and glue, perfect manner? T.S. Eliot. What was strange about Emily Dickinson? She rarely left home. Number 7. Robert Brooke wrote his poetry during which conflict? First World War. Which poet laureate wrote about a church mouse, Pitchman? Which American writer published A Brave and Startling Truth in 1996? Maya Angelou. Number 10. Who wrote about idyllic Isle of Innisfree? W.B. Yeats. Number 11. A patron of accented and unaccented syllables in line of poetry is called meter. The repetition of similar ending sound is called rhyme. Number 13 is applying human quality to non-human things is called personification. Number 14, the repetition of the beginning consonant sounds is called alliteration. Number 15, a comparison of unlike things without using word of comparison such as like or as called metaphor. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel to get more updates about English literature.